In this video, we'll be showing you how customers can register on your website. The registration form appears when your customer clicks the Create Account button in the top navigation of your website. They will then need to complete the registration form, which requires the bare minimum of information: first name, last name, email address and password. During registration, your customers can opt in to receive marketing communication and newsletters from your organisation. They can also agree to your site's terms and conditions and read the summary privacy notice. They would then click the Register button. If you have checked that customers require approval box in your settings, then you will receive an email to advise you of this registration. And that's it, you now know how customers can register on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.